What if I told you that millions of people are flossing their teeth with a cup? Right now, on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, a hack is going absolutely viral. People are taking a simple string, looping it through a plastic cup, and claiming it cleans between their teeth better than anything their dentist recommended. And the comments? People are losing their minds. I threw away my floss after this. My dentist is going to hate me. But here's the question nobody is answering. Is this doing anything real for your teeth, or are you just playing with a cup? Today, I am going to do what no one else has done. I am going to put this viral hack under a microscope. Welcome back to Dental Miracle, the channel where real dental science meets your everyday life. Today, we are settling this debate. Version 1, the string loop method. Someone takes a thin piece of string, loops it through a cup, and uses the tension to guide it. Sometimes people use actual floss, sometimes regular sewing thread, sometimes even fishing line. This is the first red flag. Version 2, the rubber band variation. Using a rubber band stretched across the cup to snap debris out, this one is genuinely alarming. Version 3, the water-filled cup suction method, pressing a cup over the mouth and sucking water between the teeth using pressure. Dental care is expensive. If someone tells you a cup from your kitchen can replace a $60 water flosser, people want to believe that. But wanting something to work and it actually working, two completely different things. Let's break down the science. Plaque is a sticky, colorless film of bacteria that forms constantly. It does not rinse away. It has to be physically disrupted. Proper flossing does three things: scrapes plaque, reaches below the gum line into the sulcus, and removes food debris. The string-through-cup method is about ergonomics. The cup gives you something to hold so you can reach your back molars, but the string still needs to wrap in a C shape around each tooth. The viral videos just show people pulling straight across. Verdict on the string-cup method: it is a tool holder. If you don't use the C-shape technique, it is incomplete. The rubber band snap method is genuinely dangerous. Snapping against gum tissue creates microtrauma and permanent gum recession. A professional water flosser uses pressurized streams to disrupt biofilm. Squeezing a cup creates random, unpressurized water flow. When done correctly, string floss is the most effective tool. It physically scrapes the surface between teeth. Water flossers are clinically proven to reduce gingivitis and bleeding more effectively than string floss in certain populations. The ideal scenario: use both. String floss first to loosen plaque, then the water flosser to flush it away. Your mouth is the gateway to your body. Gum disease is linked to heart disease and diabetes. This is about long-term health. If this video gave you something real today, hit that like button. Drop a comment below. Are you a string or water flosser? This is Dental Miracle. Take care of your teeth. They are the only ones you get. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.